See, the vehicle fell into a dry canal embankment. Still in the hospital in critical condition.
Holy shit.
Is there any chance we can get to see your bike?
A second teen boy has died after an off-road vehicle crashed 30 feet into a West Valley canal.
Joyride gone wrong.
I got you, bro.
Two teens in a side-by-side crashed through a fence.
Ready? Welcome back, Throne SRPNT again today. Been practicing wheelies. I have been struggling recently with getting to balance point and holding balance point. I've heard the cheat code is Supermotos. Luckily, we have a pair of Surron Ebike X Supermoto wheels in the shop. I'm gonna see if I can make them fit. I know the front end should go on without an issue. The rear end, we might have to get creative, so I figured let's get some practice in now. My baseline on my Shinko 241s, and we'll come back to Supermotos and see if they actually do make a pretty big difference. See, that's what I'm struggling with, is committing to that feeling of weightlessness. Oh God, okay. That drop back feeling freaked me out. Woo! Good practice, gang, good practice. Let's get a couple more in. I still got my circles from yesterday. Oh, almost got the circles. There we go. Hey, sketch, but I still got it. All right, let's try a couple knee knocks, slow down. And then we'll go try the Supermotos, if they fit. Okay, that was pretty good. It's actually a little easier for me to balance that. Nice. Come on, gang. We got this. We got this right here. Say a little chant from, or say something for me in the comments if you believe in me right now. Ah, you f***ed yourself. Shouldn't have commented. All right, I got you right here. Ah, damn it. That's the speed I wanted to do. Let's go see if the Supermotos are gonna fit on this bad boy. Oh, they're close. Let's go ahead and test fit these Surron Supermotos. I might change my front pads while I'm doing this. Slide her out. First things first, let's do the sprocket. Make sure that that's gonna swap over. All right, gang, we are in there. So it fits. Let's continue on with the build. So it is looking like we're gonna have to order a 220 rear rotor for this thing. I'm gonna try to mount it, and I took off the factory spacer that goes right on top of this bracket and raises this up, and we're gonna just see if that mounts up to 203 instead of 220. Alright. Dude, it does look kind of sick. That is the distance I need to come up with on the left, and that is the distance on the right. So I'll leave a link in the description for some spacers from Amazon. I've actually used them before on that. They work well. I've crashed in them, held up, high speed, so I trust them. To make it work, pretty much all we're gonna need are these three right here. There are two washers on the right side, big spacer for the left. Let's get it. Got the spacers installed. The side is definitely, there's no more flexing. I have a pretty good feeling about it. I took the riser bracket that's for the 220 off, found some shorter bolts, and she is working. We are in there like swimwear. Let's get the front installed and just get an overall walk around and see what it looks like on the 17s, coming from the 19 Shinko 241s to the 17 Supermoto wheel set. This is gonna be sick.
Drop the bass and hide away. I count money every day. Darkness in my vision's always night. It ain't never day.
So I just noticed this rotor is warped. Luckily, we've got thicker upgraded 220 front. So let's throw that on there and give us some extra stopping power, but also we need to fix that because that thing just wobbles. We're back This time with the Supermotos, they definitely roll a little smoother, kind of just scrubbing in right now. So theoretically, yes, Surron Supermoto wheels will bolt on to the Throne Serpent with some modifications. This is just a temporary fix, so I'm going to test it out today. I'm still going to order the 220 rotor for this thing. The only other downside is yeah, kickstand doesn't work anymore. Yeah, you've got three options. You can cut that down to make it work. You can get a shorter kickstand that mounts on the swing arm, or you can just not get off your bike and just hold it. Make sure these brakes in the rear are functional. See? Yep, they work pretty good. All right, I trust them. Oh yeah, it's quicker now. It just feels different. I'll pop up here. Oh shit, it will. Dude, it's sick. I like these Supermotos. Almost. Oh, that looped right there, gang. To get it to balance point, it does feel better. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh, she's making noises. Alright, we should be okay. There we go. There we go. Damn. I let it down. Bro. Like. What are you doing? Sick. Alright, let's do, let's try some knee knocks. Oh, this feels different. I'm really liking the performance, or the feel I'm getting out of them. So they might stay on for a while. Let's try top speed, see if that changed at all. Nope, actually went down 2 miles an hour. We were at 57 before, now we're at 55. Overall thoughts, Supermoto tires, definitely awesome. I don't know how, honestly, I really don't know how long I'm gonna use these. I just find myself in like trails too often on this bike. This is a quick down and dirty video on Supermotos on my Throne Serpent. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy for more e-moto content. And before I go off, I'm gonna go see what the fuck's going on over there because our whole fence gone. What in the
Can we get a person down that right there?
holy shit, bro? No, I live right up the street though, so that's why I was trying to see who it was. Oh,
Number 70, we are getting your balance right now while inviting.
Well, the fence is still there.
You can do your RC report.
bro, that is not good. Did you guys see it? Did you just fly over? Oh shit. Where did it come? Like, oh. Oh, this is not fucking good, guys. Bro, that is not good.
Is there any chance we can use the seat of your bike?
Listen to this canal. We'll run back and grab the 2 box. Okay, and we hold it real quick so I can get over.
Yeah.
Might be the best bet.
Hey.
Wait, Trey, are you?
Am I what?
You ALS?
How about you guys make your way over to that area and see if you can make access into the canal?
So maybe you could run back and grab your...
Copy that.
You can use the bike if you need to, man. I got you. That case is about to open. Yeah.
More unable to gain visual. You and engine 155 4 are attempting to make access down.
I got you, bro. You need these over or no?
Yeah, bud. Just slide them over.
Slide them over? Got you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Shit, that was heavier than I thought. Got you. Dude, this is not good. I'm on case duty. This case is now part of me, and there's a flowing one over there. Okay, it's no joke, bro. Ready? You need anything else from me? No, man, we're good. Yes, sir. Oh, God, dude, this is fucking crazy. I don't know what the fuck happened. I don't even know where the fuck they came from. This is not fucking good.
Well, I live right here. I live right here, and I saw a glimpse. I just mean like in general.
I see people drive around with ATVs, but
All the time, every day. I live off of 44th and 47th. Oh yeah, I live right here. This is my house right here. This is my wife right here. Every day they're back here. If you're a bike, no offense, brother. Every day. Yeah, I'll be back. House unlocked. Front door's unlocked.
This is terrible to see. Life happens really fast, guys. Really fast. Did your boyfriend know him? Did your boyfriend know him?
no, we got here, well, we saw it happen, and then ran here, and my dad and my boyfriend.
Oh, so they don't know the people inside? Okay. They, this might be weird or out of place, but I noticed your boyfriend reacting to seeing the, you know, whatever it's seen, so just talk to him later. I've gone through it before, so I kind of recognize the look, so.
He was in a bad accident, too. I think that's why, yeah. I mean, he was like wanting to jump over the fence and go.
Shit. Fuck. Well, y'all be safe, alright? Yeah.